Give please. Sorry, not for you. Does not compute. I take then. No. Get off the pizza. Well, if you would share this wouldn't happen, would it? No scissors? No problem. Hey chicken, when are you gonna start paying rent? Haha. Human's purse. Good bird. When you wake up from a nightmare where your bird got hurt, I love you so much, have as many treats as you want. What did I do? I can make my human do tricks. Watch. Human loves picking those up. An invisible wall. Black magic. This is a nice spot. I need to type. My spot, no touch. Maybe Sullivan will eat peanuts if they are mixed in. I'm done. Now it's just peanuts. You have la toy. Yeet. Can you keep holding the toy? Okay. Yeet. Picking up the bird from the pet sitter. Some birds. Oh my god. You're home. I'm so happy to see you. My bird. Oh, hello traitor. Or, I wonder what he's thinking. I know what your bird is thinking. He belongs outside. Bird should be free. Haha, you stupid hawk. Can't get me in here. Have you ever met the boogeyman? If he gets you, he makes sure that you can't move. Then he pokes you with cold or pointy things. Ah. Want to try? Yes. Gross. Keep it down. I'm trying to sleep. Oh, sorry Dunga. How to get your bird to eat healthy food. This is so good. Too bad birds can't have any. Give me. I win. I'm rich. Claws off me treasure, scalawag. Why can't you guys just share? Why are you chasing me? I had a nightmare that I lost you. Come here. Let me give you my affection. What you see? What a burb sees. Literally anything. Side view. Front view. Why do you get your water so dirty? Doesn't it bother you to drink that? I don't drink it. How gross you think I am? Oh. I found a friend. They like to sing too. Must show that I sing better. Hello and welcome to my crib. Oh, a friend? It looks like a friend. Smells like food. Ka-chunk. Too scary to be friend. Oh. Are you poisonous? How does it go? Hairy, scary, don't you dare. Tummy white yummy bite. More than 10 feet, probably sweet. Magenta tips cloaker drips. Back lumps in threes, chronic beak cheese. Millet. I love boobies. Places I find bird food. Around the food bowl. On the bird. Anywhere but the cage. The ceiling. Somehow. So you want to learn about hunting mid-flight? Trust me, it's not as exciting as it sounds. You're flying around. Doobie-doo. You see a target below you. Just tuck your wings in. And increase your speed to 200 kilometers per hour. Want scritches? Nope. Well wait. Would like pets now please? Mum, I love millet. I could just eat millet every day. You need to expand your mind. There's plenty of other delicious stuff to eat. Expand my mind. Expand my mind. What are you debrief? Ah, hey, I think that worked. What's it like having a bird? Everything is a mess. Everything. They will chew on everything. They will. I wouldn't have it any other way. Empathy is amazing. If I concentrate, I can feel what it's like to be this tree. How many of these moldy berries did you eat? Not that many. Oh, I'm not judging. I just want to know how many to eat to get to your level. Oh, then you'll need to eat about 30 and fly in a circle until you see the pattern. What pattern? How to make cheeks sing with any item. I've been thinking about death recently. Oh. So any revelations? Well yeah. I mean, woo, death. Right. It's not ideal. I think that I won't do death. Have death. Where's cheeks? Peekaboo. 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 Well, this has been fun, but I'm heading out. I need some me time. Yeah, same. I'm coming too. Alright everyone, let's go. Birds in the wild. Pretty singing. Sits on stick. My bird. Can't sit still, must dance. Scream song. Oh, it's just you. The source of all my problems. Love bird friend. Love you. Love you more. Know you. Know you. Do you ever feel like nothing bad ever harm? Avenge me. I probably won't. Human is drawing. But I want scritches. Pet me. I wanna make art like human does. First I need paper, then tar dam. Hehe, water comes in. Water goes out. Whoa. Oh, it's my feet. Share food. I'll only take a small bite. Okay. Thank you.